Oh no, another call. I just freeze up every time.
While she's stressing, I'm closing deals. You need to stop phone fear now.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to day 23. We are in the final stretch of our 30-day English challenge.
Today, we are talking about something that makes even advanced English learners nervous: the phone.
The phone phobia. Why is it so much harder to talk on the phone than in person, Rahul?
For me, it's because I can't see the other person's hands or facial expressions. It's just a voice in the dark.
Exactly. And sometimes the signal is bad or they speak too fast. Today, we're going to give you the golden phrases to handle any phone call. Scenario 1. Making a simple appointment. Good morning. Bright Smile Dental. How can I help you?
Hi, good morning. My name is Rahul. I'd like to schedule a routine checkup, please.
Of course, Rahul. Have you been to our clinic before?
No, this would be my first time.
Welcome. We have an opening this Thursday at 3 p.m. Does that work for you?
Let me check. Actually, Thursday's a bit busy. Do you have anything on Friday morning?
Let's see. We have 10:30 a.m. on Friday?
10:30 a.m. is perfect.
Great. I'll put you down for Friday at 10:30. That sounded very smooth, Rahul. But what happens if you didn't hear what I said?
That's my biggest fear. I usually just say yes and hope for the best, but that's a bad idea.
Never do that. Here are 3 phrases you can use. Sorry, could you repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you speak a little slower, please?
I also like to use "let me double check." It gives you a few seconds to think and stay calm.
Scenario 2. The professional callback.
Hello, marketing department. Rahul speaking.
Hi, this is Sneha from the finance team. Is Mr. John available?
I'm sorry, Sneha. He's in a meeting right now. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you tell him the budget report is ready?
Budget report is ready. Got it. I'll make sure he gets the message.
Thanks, Rahul. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
See? Phone calls don't have to be scary. It's all about having those go-to phrases ready.
So here is your homework for day 23. We want you to practice shadowing. Go back to our scenarios and repeat the lines.
And in the comments, tell us, what is the scariest part about talking on the phone for you? Is it the speed or the silence?
We read every single comment. If you're ready to conquer your phone fear, type "I can call" below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Skill Tree.
See you tomorrow for day 24.
Bye-bye.